Selling your house in this real estate market, it's a big deal, and every detail counts. Now, I often say that your first impression does a lot. So when it comes to selling your house, the first impression starts from the moment that a potential buyer steps through the front door. And unwanted odors can be a major turnoff for many home buyers. Now, a fresh, welcoming smell, on the other hand, will have a strong impression for that home buyer during the house inspection and potentially sell your house even faster. And the good news is there's a simple yet effective way to achieve a fresh and inviting atmosphere into your house. So in this video, I'm going to show you the things that you can do to make your house smell nice. The first impression is the strongest for a potential home buyer. Now, if you're new here, I'm Jerry Pinkas. I'm your real estate expert with over 20 years of experience. My team is here to help you to avoid the pitfalls that are costly. So I've separated this video into two parts. Now, part one is about deodorizing, which means eliminating any lingering or bad smells from the house. In part two, we talk about odorizing the home, because you need to eliminate any bad odor that includes artificial smells from your house when you're selling it. And this is because many people are extremely sensitive to artificial scents. And as a home seller, you want to attract and you want to have as many potential home buyers just fall in love with your home. So even if you decide to odorize the house, it's better to not go with any artificial fragrances. So how do you get rid of any lingering smells that are in your house? Deodorizing the house, use baking soda. This is a natural and inexpensive deodorizer that can be your secret weapon to remove any unwanted smells from the house. Now, baking soda naturally absorbs and neutralizes odors without leaving any artificial smell behind. For fabrics like carpets and mattresses, sprinkle a little baking soda on the surface and then leave it for 15 minutes. You can do the same with a sofa or any other furniture that can be vacuumed off later. And then thoroughly vacuum that area to remove the powder. Similarly, sprinkle baking soda on the sinks and wash it out after 15 or 20 minutes. Now, you want to repeat this process for several days leading up to the house tours, especially in the high traffic areas of your home. Kitchens are a common place for storing bad odors. Now, try placing open boxes of baking soda in places where you can't vacuum. And this includes the kitchen shelf as well as your refrigerator to absorb and neutralize lingering smells. Even if you're not selling your house, a good rule of thumb is to replace the baking soda every month or two, depending on how strong that smell is. Now, to keep your trash can area fresh, sprinkle a little thin layer of baking soda at the bottom of your trash can before replacing it with a new liner. For stronger smells, using activated charcoal is a great way to neutralize that odor. Now, baking soda tackles the mild odors. Activated charcoal actually is better for stronger situations. Activated charcoal comes in different forms like loose chunks and fabric bags. Place these bags in drawers, closets, or storage bins wherever a bad odor may form. The charcoal will then absorb the musty smell from clothes and unforgotten laundry. But this is super important, guys. Find the root cause of the smell. Now, these are temporary solutions to eliminate any house odor. But if the root of the smell is still there, it's important to address that root cause to truly freshen up and get an odor-free home environment. So number one, start with the basics by considering the most common culprits of household odors. Kitchen spills, forgotten food in a garbage disposal, pets, dirty trash cans, neglected pet litter boxes are all potential sources for unpleasant odors. Now, you want to address these basic issues first, then see if the odor is still there. Number two, investigate any moisture issues within the house. Now, you want to check for signs of water damage, especially around sinks, bathtubs, showers, or any leaky pipes. And if you notice any discoloration on the walls or the ceilings, this can be a sign of water damage that's causing an unpleasant odor. Number three, check the air vents. Now, dirty air vents can often trap dust, pet dander, and other allergens and cause a musty smell throughout the whole house. Now, this is especially true in high traffic areas where you may have carpet, because carpet can store many odor-causing elements. So you can try the baking soda first, and if the smell is still there, consider a professional deep cleaning of the carpets. Number four, declutter as much as possible. Now, a cluttered house can harbor hidden sources of odors. During the selling process, take your time to declutter your home thoroughly. And if you want a guide on decluttering a house before selling, I have a video on my main channel on that topic, and I'll link it here and you can watch it after this video. Now, decluttering can rid any items that are causing lingering smells. It'll also free up space within the house and make the house look more open. How about odorizing the house? This is the common thing where people think that they can cover up a smell. Just remember, eliminating the source of the smell or the bad odor is the key. Now you want to be cautious about using any artificial fragrances. Some people are sensitive to strong fragrances, and an artificial air freshener can backfire on you. It can actually cost you with a loss of the sale of your home. Now, if someone sniffs out the problem that you're trying to mask, then they'll stay away from making an offer for your home to buy. So focus on getting rid of any lingering bad smell. Then pay attention to the areas that harbor dust, dirt, like floors, surfaces, and even underneath furniture and areas that are tucked away. Natural ventilation is a powerful tool for removing odors and airborne pollutants. So you want to make sure that you have proper ventilation throughout your entire house. Try keeping the windows open as much as possible, especially after cooking, and then avoid cleaning with strong chemicals. Give your dog a bath, or try to avoid keeping the pets on carpets and on sofas. Anything that allows fresh air to circulate and carries away odors and replaces with natural air, that's a win. When you're selling your house, consider a complete and deep cleaning before listing it on the housing market. And don't forget that a regular house cleaning every now and then is what people are looking for, neat and tidy. Because this fresh and clean environment will leave a positive impression for potential buyers and make your house more appealing. So if you decide to odorize your house, use a fragrance-free air freshener or other natural alternatives. Natural scents from plants can help your house smell good when you're selling. Now, certain plants like lavender or peace lilies have a subtle and natural fragrance that can enhance the atmosphere around your house. Another way to do this is to peel some fruit like oranges or lemons. Place bowls of citrus peels around the house. They are much milder than artificial air fresheners that you buy at the store, and they're more appealing for more people. Now, following the right steps can significantly improve your home's indoor air quality and overall freshness. So in the comments below, let me know what your experience was when you were selling your first home. I'm just really curious. Go ahead and let me know. Previous video, which I did, it's a step-by-step guide on preparing your house for a listing in the housing market and how you can do it within 30 days or less. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and share it and like it with others who you know who could use this information. I'm Jerry with Jerry Pinkas Real Estate Experts. My team is here to help you to find your hidden gem and to avoid those pitfalls that are costly. Give us a call at 843-839-9870. And until next time, stay happy, stay educated, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care, guys.